Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 8. We're here at the halfway point of the semester. Spring break is starting next week. We're part of the way through with our second major project. So this is a peer review week. If you scroll down in our classroom to week 8, you'll see that we have a large group workshop and a small group workshop this week. It's going to work just like last time. So for the large group workshop, you will all look at the same 2 documents. These are former student papers, and I want you to be noticing what's working, what kinds of problems you see, and what kinds of questions that emerge. Remember, noticing errors is the easy part. Facilitating discussion about things that you notice or things that are going well is the harder part. Later on in the week, you'll do the same thing in a smaller group. If you're behind on anything, good news is spring break is coming up, and that's a good time to make up work. I'll be in my office hours this morning. If you'd like to talk to anything, let me know. I hope everyone's doing great, and keep in touch.